Yeah, Mitch Donovan from Ray Donovan Stock and Station Agents today here at our Grafton store sale for May. A pretty good yarding today. We had about 1,200 head in total. A mixed yarding, there's a bit of everything to be honest, but there was quite a good run of feeder cattle, weaners and cows and calves as well. The job was very strong. I think it could have even been a little bit better than our weaner sale, which was a fortnight ago. Feeder steers, they got up to $4.70, pretty close to $4.80 for some good Angus steers, which was a very good result. And your Angus weaner steers as well, they sort of got up to $6. Oh, they might have got to $6.30 or $40 for a bit over 200 kilos. So that was a good sale. And not many Euro cross calves here today. A lot of Angus and Angus cross cattle. The cows and calves, it was quite solid. They're good frame cows, and with the tag back on them, a lot of those cows got to sort of 26 to 2,900, which was pretty solid for the time of year running into winter and all. But all in all, a good day here today, and the market's surprising me every time we have a sale, but certainly holding up here today in Grafton.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?